Hi guys, Ionos website builder review. Since we have already made a few videos talking about one Ionos or just Ionos as a hosting provider, why not a piece the web code and dive into what the Ionos website builder has to offer? Is it the modern user-friendly tool with affordable pricing or something you should skip entirely and run to another option? All these questions and more will be answered in my Ionos website builder review. Anyway, for everybody, as we will start this Ionos review by looking at the very first part of building your website. Choosing a good looking template, Ionos does not go wide with its template through there are only a handful of them. The design here are clean and tailored for business or portfolio need that say creative are not left out. There are full colorful modern looking template as well. I also appreciated that you can preview how template will look on a phone or a tablet before making your choice. You have probably noticed the gain text at the top that keeps scream AI. So let's look at what the Ionos AI website builder offer. It's what the prompt, so we can enter a description and then select a tone. By after this, there are quick setup for a color fonts and your website info that we get quite a good looking selection of design. Now not every generated template is a winner, so you might want to play around with the promotes and setup. Overall, I have to say that I am pleasantly surprising by the style of template and the modern approach with an integration. It's plus for I know you have the main menu on the left with all you need a market, web editor, e-commerce and email marketing. I have to give a small bonus point for the easily accessible analytic. However, the map market could use more apps right now. It's mainly offered translator and looking at one. So while it's not the best website builder for small businesses, it's still a solid choice for landing page, portfolio and local businesses side. Mm. Next, let's dive into website editing before exploring the other tools available. If we go to the dashboard and click edit website, we get to the editor. It's an interesting approach. I say quite a unique, the most attention grabbing feature in my preview, which show a smaller version of your site while scrolling. Quite a neat idea. That content tab allow you to mess with the website structure, editing pre-made section or rearranging them. However, there are no drag and drop control or individual element placement. The editor greets you with a rather unusual design approach. If you navigate to section setting within to element and activate this mode, you will be able to move element freely, similar to Wix or Stinger. As for the individual element, you can add section. It's not extension. You but are decent in an interesting design choice. Switching mode does not change the entire editor, is only affect the specific section you are working on. This means you can make drag and drop section with more straightforward pre-made. On one hand, you need to activate the drag and drop mode for each section individually. If you want to choose it across your entire site, you can use AI with any text element by simple double clicking on it. The bring out the standard word editor option and AI helper. You can also improve text based on tone, but you cannot really give any other parameters here. Continue with the theme. You can create an image with an AI. If you go to replace any image currently, you can only enter a prompt. There are no replacement image or style option, and the quality is more cartoonish than real. So I don't know how much I would recommend it using it. A better thing is the I know stock because picture that offer realistic looking royalty free image, so you do not need to worry about licenses on other stuff. Overall, while there are some interesting decisions in the Ionos website builder uh, editor feel and control like a modern beginner friendly tool, everything else here is a quite self-explanatory. The style tab allow you to customize color fonts and other small options. The page tab lets you customize the structure of your site or add new page, and of course the shop is for product management. All right, let's answer that question. Is Ionos good as a website builder or should you go elsewhere? To be fair, it's a surprisingly good and modern load tool with a free trial and even a $1 a month plan. While it does have a few odd design choices and could benefit from more design options or variation, is still a solid choice. If it may not be the best of website builder out there, but it's definitely a tool I'd recommend it for beginners. So give Ionos or a shot, and don't forget those discount link to save some sweet cash. Thanks for watching my Ionos website builder review.